Hey everyone, it's Lisa, your girl camping guide to the Black Hills of South Dakota. And I just got something really fun, I think, in the mail from City Bonfires. Let's open it and see what it is. All right. Oh, it looks like some little s'more sticks. I believe this is a mini s'more kit. So I got a fun little s'more stick here. Oh, they actually sent me the ingredients to make s'mores. This is neat. Let's see what's all in them. Four marshmallows, chocolate bar, sticker, we're all about stickers, and a little pack of graham crackers. Yeah. Oh, look at this cute little thing. This is our little fire. This is so cute. This is what we make our s'mores in. So the inside is basically like a big candle, and it's got four what looks like wicks on here. So let me get something to light this on fire. All right, I got my trusty little big lighter. Let's see how this works. So light these up. I'm just gonna light a couple of them. Ooh, nice. It actually has some marshmallows open, so I'm gonna go get some of my marshmallows. Okay, my marshmallows are not nearly as pretty as their marshmallows, but I'm gonna stick it right on my little s'more roaster. And there you go. Your own at-home s'more making kit. Is this not the stinking cutest thing ever? Thanks, City Bonfires. This is so much fun. For more great items, be sure to check it out at my picks on girlcamper.com on my South Dakota page. And I will see you around the campfire.